All right, hi everyone. Welcome. What are we doing today, Micah?
Dyeing Easter eggs.
Yeah, that's right. We're dyeing Easter eggs. And what day of the week is it?
Saturday.
It's Saturday, and we still get to learn today, even though it's not a school day. There's lots of great chemistry with dyeing Easter eggs, so we thought it would be a great opportunity to make a video. All right, so we've hard-boiled our eggs, so they're ready to go. We have our Easter dyeing kit here, and it says we need something called, vinegar. So we got our big jug of vinegar here. But what's really cool about vinegar is it's made up of a molecule called acetic acid, and that's actually a pretty small, simple structure. So we thought this would be a great time to show you how to build molecules in Modelar. All right, so if you don't remember what a molecule is, let's do a quick review. So in an earlier video, we looked at building blocks, right? And what did we say the building blocks of our world are called?
Molecules.
Oh, that's what the building blocks make. But what are those blocks called?
Lego.
Oh, these are Legos or Duplos, other things. But the building blocks of our world are called atoms. And like Micah said, when we put the atoms together, then we build molecules. And earlier we pretended that these yellow squares were hydrogen and this big red brick was oxygen, and we made little water molecules, or also called H2O. So what we're going to do today is build better representations of molecules using an app called Modelar. All right, so we're going to switch over so you can see our iPad screen, and we're going to open our app Modelar. Very good, Micah, thank you. And what I've done ahead of time is I've drawn the structure of acetic acid. So we're going to pull that up here so we can refer to it. All right, so we'll also turn on our video camera. Yeah, you're getting ahead of ourselves here, aren't you? So that you can see what we're looking at on the screen. All right, so there's our structure of acetic acid. Now, how many C's are there?
2.
Yep, 1, 2. And those are called carbon atoms. All right, how many oxygens are there?
2.
Yep, 1, 2. And those are the letter O. So what we need to do is we need to put on 2 C's and 2 O's in this order. You're all done with your book? Okay. And what's nice is you might have seen there's H's there as well, but the app automatically puts in those hydrogens as well, and it won't let you make invalid structures. So you should be able to build these all on your own. All right, go ahead. You know what to do. Yep, so you drag 1 carbon on the screen, and how many more do we need? 2. Well, we need 2 total, so yep, go ahead. Keep going. And drag and drop next to that other carbon. All right, now what do we need to add to complete the structure? O. So go ahead and add 1 O and 2. Oops, try again. There you go. 2 O's. All right, now what we can do is we can drag our finger and we can unselect and we can rotate our molecule around a little bit. All right, but hold on. Let's explain this to people. Is this the right structure yet? Not quite. How many lines are between this oxygen and that carbon?
2.
In the picture, there are 2. You're right. Here, let's move your finger so everyone else can see. So there's 2. But how many in our structure here?
2.
How many do we have right now?
1.
1. And we need 2. So go ahead and make a second one. So he's dragging his finger from the O to the C, and now we have a double bond. And what was really cool is our geometry changed a little bit as well. All right, so now for another fun part, if we close this notes window, and you can download and print something called an AR tag from Alchemie's website, and so that's what we're going to use now. Let me turn off the camera here. Oops.
Turn off the camera.
Yeah. So now that we can see just the iPad, it'll make things a little bit easier. And we can, in the upper right-hand corner, there's this little toggle where you can turn AR on and off. So now, when the camera on the iPad finds the AR tag, your molecule will be projected on there. Did you get acetic acid on you. That's all right. It won't hurt you because this is a virtual molecule. It's on your face again. But one thing that's really fun to do is take your tag and put it next to your bottle of vinegar. And now you have your structure of vinegar, acetic acid, in front of your bottle of vinegar so you can see what molecules are in your bottle. All right, and now if you do the power and the volume button, you capture a screenshot and you can add that to your notebook. And now for Micah's favorite part, if you hit the red button in the upper left hand corner, you clear the screen so you can start over. Hours of fun right there and no cleanup required, which is the best part. All right, well, we hope you've enjoyed learning how to build molecules in Model R with us. Have fun, explore structures on your own, and later on we'll share some pictures of the molecules that make your eggs so colorful. All right, happy Easter, everyone. See you next time.